Hey, you're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. This is Oukitel K7 Power, and today we have unboxing and first review of this smartphone. Oukitel K7 Power is younger model of Oukitel K7. These mobile devices have the same design, chipset MediaTek MT6750T and big 10,000 mAh battery. However, K7 Power is equipped with only 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. Is this enough for 2018 smartphone? Let's find out. By the way, the price of this phone is only $99. You can find link where to buy it in description under this video. Oukitel smartphones come in a standard white boxes, including K7 Power. There is only company logo on the front side, without model number or image of smartphone. Inside the box you will find a mobile device with factory films on the front and rear panels. Also, there is silicone protective case, power adapter, USB cable, OTG cable, SIM needle, and user manual. The package is very simple, but silicone case and OTG cable are very good bonus. As I already said, Oukitel K7 Power has the same design as Oukitel K7. It is really thick and big smartphone because of 10,000 mAh battery. Its dimensions are 168 by 78 by 14.5 mm. Yeah, it is much bigger than we used to see in 2018. However, if you really want big battery, then you don't care about the thickness of smartphone. Another interesting feature of Oukitel K7 Power is back cover. The manufacturer says it is made of real Australian calf leather. It's really very stylish and premium. Also, there is gilded metal panel with a dual rear camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. On the front you can see similar gilded lines on the top and bottom. The display has 6-inch diagonal with HD Plus resolution 1440 by 720 pixels. The smartphone has 18 by 9 aspect ratio, but screen-to-body ratio is quite low for 2018, only 71%. Oukitel K7 Power has micro-USB port, 3.5mm audio jack and hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD. Talking about hardware, Oukitel K7 Power has the same chipset as Oukitel K7. It is MediaTek MT6750T with maximum clock speed 1.5 GHz. The main difference between these smartphones is in memory. Oukitel K7 Power has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, while Oukitel K7 comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. Both of them support microSD memory cards. Later, we will make detailed performance test with all benchmarks and games. By the way, Oukitel K7 Power runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo. There is multi-language support, Google services, and totally clean from Chinese apps. The camera looks good on paper, however in practice the image quality is pretty weak. Oukitel K7 Power has 13-megapixel main sensor Sony IMX214 and 2-megapixel secondary sensor on the back. The front camera is 5-megapixel. Once again, in coming days we will publish a special video with camera test of Oukitel K7 Power. You can find it by the link in description. The main feature of Oukitel K7 Power is battery, because it has a capacity of 10,000 mAh. There is information on official website about fast charging support 18 watt. The full battery charge takes about 3 hours and 40 minutes. Later we will make battery drain test and full battery charge. The video will be by the link in description. Another interesting feature of Oukitel K7 Power is OTG support. It means that you can not only connect external USB devices, but also use the smartphone as power bank for charging other devices. Oukitel K7 Power has dual SIM card with global 4G LTE support. Also, there is dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS and GLONASS. Unfortunately, it doesn't have NFC. The smartphone has OTG cable in the package, so you can connect any USB devices, for example, computer, mouse, keyboard, USB drive, etc. This is another feature of Oukitel K7 Power. So it was unboxing and quick review of Oukitel K7 Power. The price of this smartphone is only $99. It looks very good for the price. The phone has stylish design with leather back panel, OTG support and big 10,000 mAh battery. We still need to test performance, camera and battery to make a final conclusion about the smartphone. The links to all these tests and where to buy Oukitel K7 Power will be in description under the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write in comments below, I will try to answer them. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.